Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. This time we're looking at AI in finance,
Oh,
specifically a model called Hawkish 8B.
interesting.
So this model,
Yeah.
it's an 8 billion parameter model, which is
Right.
pretty huge when you compare it to something like Llama.
Yeah.
And the thing that I think is really exciting about this one
Okay.
is that it can actually pass
Really?
the CFA Level 1 exam.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's
that's a big deal.
I was hoping maybe you could tell us a little bit more about the
Sure.
CFA Level 1 exam. Like, what is that?
Yeah, so the CFA Level 1 exam is kind of like the first step
Yeah.
towards becoming
Right.
a chartered financial analyst.
Mm-hmm.
It tests your knowledge on a lot of different
Okay.
financial concepts, so things like ethics,
Okay.
quantitative methods, portfolio management, all that kind of stuff.
So it's not just like a simple
No, it's not just like
multiple choice.
basic math. You
Yeah.
really have to understand
that.
these concepts. So for an AI to be able to pass that,
Yeah.
like what does that even mean? Like,
Well, I think it really shows that AI is
Yeah.
reaching a new level of sophistication when it
Right.
comes to understanding finance. Like,
Yeah.
it can analyze complex data, make decisions based on that data,
Right.
and even communicate its findings.
So are financial analysts
Yeah.
going to be out of jobs soon?
That's a good question. I don't think so. I think it's
Yeah.
more about like collaboration.
Okay.
AI can assist financial analysts
Right.
by automating some of those repetitive
That's
tasks.
the boring stuff.
Exactly. And that frees up the analysts to focus on more
Right.
strategic thinking.
So like what are some ways this could actually help people?
Oh, so many ways. Imagine getting personalized financial advice
Okay.
tailored to your specific needs.
Mm.
Like Hawkish 8B could analyze your spending habits, your investments,
Wow.
and give you recommendations on how to improve your financial situation.
So like better financial planning, maybe even
Yeah,
like
yeah.
better investment decisions.
Absolutely. And it could also help democratize access to financial advice,
That's a good point.
making it available to people who might not
Right.
be able to afford a traditional financial advisor.
So it's really kind of like
Mm.
a game changer potentially.
Yeah, it has the potential to be huge.
Yeah.
We're just scratching the surface.
So we talked about the CFA Level 1 exam,
Yeah.
which I think is like the big,
I think it's a huge accomplishment.
with this model, but
Yeah.
like as these AI models keep getting
Mm,
more sophisticated,
right.
are there ethical considerations that we need
Oh, absolutely.
to be thinking about?
Like, for example, we need to make sure that these AI systems are being used
Yeah.
fairly and responsibly.
Mm-hmm.
We need to consider the potential impact on jobs.
Right.
And we need to make sure that we're not creating systems that are
Right.
biased or discriminatory.
Well, there's a lot to think about as this technology keeps
Yeah, it's an exciting time.
developing.
But we need to be cautious.
Well, I want to thank you so much for joining us today
It was my pleasure.
for this deep dive into Hawkish 8B. It's been fascinating. And for everyone listening, definitely check out Hawkish 8B if you're interested in the intersection of AI and finance. It's an exciting field with a lot of potential.
Definitely.
And as always, keep exploring.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.